What is the difference between quadratus femoris and quadriceps femoris? Are they the same or are they different? Let us have a look at the etymology of the word quadriceps. Quadriceps can be cut into two words. Quadra means four, and ceps is actually originating from the word cephalic, which means head. Okay, so together quadriceps actually means four heads. All right, let us have a look at the quadriceps muscle, which is found on the front of the thigh. You know that it contains four heads. One is the rectus femoris, the vastus medialis, the vastus lateralis, and the vastus intermedius, or the three vasti and one rectus femoris. This is why it is called quadriceps femoris, which contains four heads. This muscle group is very important because this is a powerful extensor of the leg. This is the muscle group that is strengthened in leg extension exercise. In contrast, the quadratus femoris is found on the back of the gluteal region. It is actually a muscle that is found deep to the gluteus maximus muscle. Now, this is the quadratus femoris, which is almost quadrilateral in shape. That is the reason why you have the name quadratus. Quadratus means quadrilateral in shape. You have other quadratus muscles in your body. For example, you have the pronator quadratus found in the distal forearm in the deep muscle group. You also have the quadratus lumborum, which is found on the back of the loin, which is one of the posterior relations to the kidney. This is a quadratus lumborum stretch exercise. So you can see when you go deep into the etymology, it gives you a clue about where it is and what is its structure. So thank you so much.